Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, fractal Bitcoin.
Oh, forget it.
I'm telling you, this is your daily Bitcoin news video. Welcome, I'm Chris. Let's get right to it. Yeah, the first 5 days after the weekend are always the hardest, just so because it's Monday. Kind of a slow news day as well, but it's okay. Let's go. This is the Bitcoin price right now, 66,453. And look, you see the red dotted line going across the screen? That's our current price. And look, for the last 3.5 months, almost 4 months, we've been a little above it, a little below it, above it, below it, above it, below it. Right now, we're right at it. So it's very interesting. We're still hanging strong. I don't know, not much else to say. We could go sideways for a while, but, you know, another 3-4 months. But probably not. We'll probably shoot up pretty soon. Yeah, and BTC News says, I love this part of the bull market where some people become impatient and others even think the bull market is over. 2020 vibes, patience. Yeah, and you can see here this is the stock to flow model, and you can see how we've regarded it in the past, and we're gonna be coming up here. The bull run's gonna happen later this year and all of next year, so it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be an awesome ride. All right, week 16 of Bitcoin chopping around the previous cycle highs. Yeah, and I'll expand this in a second, but yeah, you can see even back in 2017 when we got back to the previous cycle high, we chopped around there for 16 weeks. Well, guess what we've been doing right now? Chopping around at the old all-time high for 16 weeks. So, breakout soon? That's the question. We don't know. And also, this daily ascending triangle is still in play. Red Monday with a green week? I don't know. Target is $100,000. And yeah, you can see from this chart here that we're in this ascending triangle. And the chances of us breaking out to the upside are so good, right? Breaking down is not likely at all. So yeah. And here's Wicked saying, I can't wait for Bitcoin to defeat the diminishing returns FUD this epoch. Yeah, so people like, okay, look, so this shows you the past epochs. So the first epoch, the first 210,000 blocks, it just went up like infinity. The second one went up 5,216%. The third epoch went up 1,284%. And the fourth, which was the last one, we went up 619%. So the idea of diminishing returns is that you can see the percentage that we go up is becoming less and less. And so some people say in Epoch 5, which is where we are now, we're only going to go up, 300%. Which, okay, maybe, but some people are claiming that this diminishing returns are going to, this model's going to break and we're actually going to have more returns. So Epoch 5, we might go up 1,000% or something, right? We don't know. We'll find out. But some people are saying that this diminishing returns is not going to last forever and we're going to actually break out to the upside much, much higher. So we'll see. That's why we're here. Yeah, and this is Bitcoin being mined from a backpack, and this was spotted at BTC Prague. Yeah, look at this guy. He's wearing a backpack with a whole rig on it. He's got everything. He's got power. He's got a display. That's the Bitcoin price. I mean, look, this is a little, frankly, weird, but, hey, just goes to show you can mine Bitcoin from a backpack. And, I have one of those little BitAxe miners, and it's like it uses about as much electricity as a light bulb. And so I'm mining Bitcoin with that little thing. And I'm not earning that much, but I'm happy to be part of the Bitcoin network, part of mining it. And I already run a local node here on a Raspberry Pi, so I'm doing that. So yeah, can you believe this? Only 51 years ago, this is a 1973 map of the entire global internet with 46 connected computers. Oh boy, 46 connected computers. In 1973. But here's the thing. This is only 51 years ago. I don't know. This just struck me. This was like, man, this is like the internet hasn't been here for that long at all. And look at the impact it's had. Look at the nightmares it's caused with all these centralized platforms and the government's intervening to censor speech, right? And now you have things like Nostr, which is decentralizing the web and making it censorship resistant. And you have Bitcoin, obviously, censorship resistant. It's, wow. And I mean, Bitcoin's only been around for 15 years. And the internet's been around 51. I don't know. I just thought this was interesting. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. And let's get into some fiat government nonsense for context, because Bitcoin solves most of these issues. And we really have to understand how bad the government is and how bad fiat currency is. So first of all, Marty Bent says stagflation is here because auto insurance rates in the United States have increased 42% over the last 2 years. Yeah. Let that sink in. Wow. Yeah, it's the biggest 2-year spike since 1977. Yeah, so, wow. The economy is not in good shape. And here, well, the big news is, I didn't even really care to cover it, but I guess it's news. The SEC's chief of crypto assets has left his role. Yeah, this guy, David Hirsch, apparently he left the SEC after almost 9 years, and he was the chief of crypto assets. But like Brian DeMint says here, 100% chance he works for one of the entities he previously regulated. And this is literally 100% guaranteed, in my opinion, as well. He's going to go work for, or he's going to be on the board of one of these companies, or one of these crypto companies, or Coinbase, or we don't know, we don't know. We don't know, but it's a big insider game, and he's part of it, and he's probably just going to shuffle around to another position so they can continue doing all their shenanigans, right? And yeah, this'll make you happy. Wow. Biden to announce mass amnesty for illegal immigrants this week. As the New York Post reports, they're being given voter registration forms in 49 states. Oh, yeah. So they're just letting people pour. They're actually helping people pour in through the southern border illegally. And now they want to give them mass amnesty. And they also want to let them vote. Are you kidding? This is, hello? It's not even Clown World. It's way worse than Clown World. Anyway, this is what we're up against. But this is great. In Montgomery Country, Maryland, probably Montgomery County, Maryland, in an effort to combat the 300% spike in youth crime, police are giving tickets for free slushies to well-behaved kids. Yeah, they're giving free.
In the act, they might.
I don't want to hear the audio, but look, Operation Chill. Are you kidding me? They're giving free coupons for free slushies to kids in Maryland so they don't, trying to encourage them not to do crimes. What? Excuse me? Yeah, and this is a camera catches looters stealing trillions. Oh, yeah, there they are. Stealing trillions. Literally. Yeah, and why isn't China... Oh, wait, let me click on it. Why isn't China concerned about global warming? Because they already have a communist government. I don't mean to laugh. This is really sad. This is really sad, serious stuff. But, oh my goodness. What a mess. All right, and here's news about the parallel economy. Okay, so this is breaking news. Public Square, the nation's top patriotic marketplace, announces intent to break free from big tech by joining Rumble Cloud. Yeah, and Rumble Cloud it's basically Rumble is building the cloud infrastructure that, most people use Amazon, AWS, and the Amazon cloud services. But Amazon is, of course, a captured company, and they have banned apps just because the government said, oh yeah, just ban that, and they banned it, which is completely ridiculous. So F Amazon and all that, among with so many other centralized companies. But Rumble is more of a free speech platform, obviously, but they're also building a cloud infrastructure. And now Public Square is going to break free from big tech by joining the Rumble Cloud and using Rumble Cloud. So companies should all start using Rumble Cloud instead of Amazon, instead of AWS or whatever that is. Just get away from them. I mean, look, until we have even better decentralized options, Rumble Cloud is way better than Amazon Cloud. So anyway, just thought I'd report that. Yeah, this is the master of skipping rocks. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, hello? It literally kept skipping until it just lost momentum and just sank. Look at this. How far? That's like several hundred feet. My goodness. Well, there you go. Good for that guy. And here's when your landlord says no pets. This is what you have to do. Oh, yeah. All right. No pets. All right. This is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. And the link on the top here says join our locals community. Click that and join our locals community for free. I post exclusive short little videos here as well. And we're building up this community. This is our community for now. So definitely join. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and follow if you're on Rumble and all that. So I appreciate you. I appreciate all your comments. Let me know what you think about today's news below. Definitely comment. And I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's daily Bitcoin news video from Fractal Bitcoin.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.